Adding fractions with different denominators. What do? First, we have to find the least common denominator, or LCD, for both fractions. Remember, when finding the LCD, we need to only concentrate on the denominators. Find the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, etc. Then do the same for 5. 5, 10, 15. Remember, one way to do this is to follow the multiplication table. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 4 is 12, and so on. Do the same for 5. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15. Then look for which number repeats in both sequences. The first number that repeats in both is 15. Which means that the least common denominator is 15. Now rewrite both fractions with the new LCD. We'll write the original fractions first. So first we have 1/3. 3 times which number equals 15? 3 times what? 3 times 5 equals 15. Which means we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. Now, for the second fraction, we have 2 as a numerator and 5 as a denominator. 5 times what number equals 15? 5 times what? 5 times 3 equals 15. Which means we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. And then multiply both fractions. Now we have the same denominator for both fractions. Both are 15, so we'll rewrite 15 down here. And we'll move down the 5 plus 6. Together, 5 plus 6 equal 11. And we're going to keep the denominator as 15 again. Now do the same with problem number 21. First, we need to find the LCD. What do? Focus on the denominator. We have 5 and 10. Find the multiples for both. Which number repeats for both sequences? 10. Which means that our LCD is 10. Now we need to rewrite both fractions using our new LCD. Remember, we need both denominators to be 10. So for the first original equation, we have 5 as a denominator. Now what number times 5 will give us 10? 5 times what will give us 10? 5 times 2, which means we need to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. For the second fraction, our denominator is 10, which means that we don't need to multiply anything, we can just leave it, because we already have the least common denominator there, which is 10. Now multiply the first fractions. And rewrite the fraction with the common denominator. The numerators together give us an answer of 7 over our LCD of 10. And that's it.